Hello, the Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub. And in this video, I'm going to analyze the market from today to Friday. Okay, so let's get started. And as per our ancestral, we always start our analyzing with higher time frame. That means we always start with weekly, then we can continue analyzing with daily, and we will find out our entry or key zone in H4 or H1 time frame. Okay, and this is the key style or key techniques to analyze the market. Okay, and before we start, we need to talk about fundamental thing. Okay, fundamental thing. So if I want to talk about fundamental thing, we have to talk about Middle East war or Middle East tension. That means there is some few geopolitical issues running into Middle East, so you have to keep your concern on Middle East issue. Number one, there was a US force self defense strike on Iran yesterday night. Okay, so it already completed. That's why, due to Hormuz Strait related to the war, there blockage on Hormuz Strait right now. So more blockage on Hormuz Strait or more chaos on Hormuz Strait means USD will go stronger, and if USD got its strength, or if USD go for stronger, gold will fall more. This is the key theory or key zone. You have to keep your concern, or you have to remember that thing. Okay, and one more thing, we have to keep our concern on Fed related issue. That means United States dollar related issue. And tonight we have CPI news, most important CPI news, so we have to keep our concern on that thing also. So overall, we are going to analyze the market based on fundamental and technically. And fundamentally, there is more chaos on Middle East, there is more chaos on Hormuz Strait. So in technically, market is going to sell, or I'm sorry, in fundamentally, market is sell. Okay, so based on that, let's continue our technical analysis. And I already told that a lot of in a lot of video, that is 80% market moves based on fundamental and 20% based on technical. Okay, and while you want to trade, you have to check fundamental first. What is the fundamental factor says, or what is the concern from fundamental side? If market go buy, then you can find only technically buy entries. Okay, if market says or fundamental says it's sell, then you can only find out sell entry. In that time, we will avoid buying. Okay, and currently market is on sale fundamentally, so we will avoid buying and only will find key zones for selling. Okay, so let's get started. And as per our trading style, we will start with weekly time frame. Okay, as per you can see there, in weekly time frame, if I want to draw possible support, resistance, or trend line zones over there, as you can see there, we got a trend line there. And as per weekly time frame, there is a breakout from this trend line. And if I want to think that technically, what can be happened there? As per it breakout, we have to wait for a pullback. That means it will give us a pullback, then it will fall more. Okay, this is the concern about the breakout trading strategy. So let's remove that and go for daily time frame. Okay, as per the daily candles, or as per daily time frame, as you can see there we got a breakout from support zone. Okay, and support zone right now acting support become resistance zone. Okay, as you can see there, we got a breakout over there, and this support area acting like support become resistance zone, and there we got a small pullback here, and it's just trying to go down. And all things are going to happen because of fundamental thing. Okay, because of fundamental thing. And we have a trend line zone, broken trend line zone over there, as you can see there. Okay, there, and we got a breakout from there, again pullback, again it's just trying to go down. Okay, and you must, Mr. Boom, what we can do for now, or what we can do right now. So let's remove all of previous drawing, then we can continue the analyzing. And I want to go for H4 time frame. As you can see, in H4 time frame, I can't see any major support and resistance zone over there except one over here. Okay, and as you can see there, after breakout, we got a pullback over there, and that pullback worked as a pin bar, that means bullish pin bar, and that also confirmed that will go for sale. Okay, and if I want to go back for H1 time frame, let's remove H4 time frames candle or a drawing. As you can see there we got a another broken trend line over there. Maybe let me check if that works. Okay, there. Okay, and as you can see there is a fake breakout, another maybe seems fake breakout, or you can you can say that that is liquidity graph, okay, and it's just trying to go down. And you may ask me, Mr. Boom, what we can do now? Okay, for H1 and H4 time frame, I can't see any entry right now, but in M5 or 15 time frame, we can see some few entry over there. And as you can see there, this particular area, that means this particular area is very important zone for now. And as per I said, we will follow fundamental, then we can take any entry by technically. Okay, we can wait another breakout from that particular area. That means already that gives us a bearish momentum or bearish movement, and right now we got breakout from there. Okay, from there, and we will wait for sell confirmation. That means if we got any sell confirmation, we will take a scalping entry over there for maybe 200 pips or maybe 250 pips. Okay, and while you want to trade, or while we trade, we always use risk to reward ratio 1:3. Okay, that means if I take 150 pips TP, we will use 50 pips SL. That is the thing. That is the 1:3 risk to reward ratio. You have to follow, or you have to consider all of them. And tonight we also have, I already mentioned that we have CPI news. You have to keep your concern on that thing. So based on CPI, we will trade. Okay, and after we got any bearish confirmation on there, that means candle confirmation, then we can take sell entry, or we can start selling from that particular zone. So I think all thing is clear now, and we are posting a lot into our public Telegram channel. That means all analysis into our public Telegram channel. So you may join there. Link in the video description box. So Mr. Boom signing out. Happy trading. Have a nice day.